What's up, everybody? Hope you're having an awesome day. Rocking the Army hat because I was just at the Army-Navy game this past week, so I have to give it up to the Army even though they lost. Go Army. Today we are here because we just received 10 of the new CarPro Wash Boxes. Now I gotta say, these things are pretty damn awesome. For anybody that's a weekend detailer or just wants to give a gift as well, or just wants to try out a couple of the incredible CarPro products, this wash box is for you. We have 10 of them in stock. You can also get them on sky'sthelimit.com. These go for $65 or $64.99. It comes with a ton of product. Now, this is basically going to be your maintenance box, your wash box, what you're going to be using on the weekends or in between your details. And let's go take a look on exactly what's inside of it. You're going to get a 16-ounce set of Reset. Reset is going to be your car shampoo. What are you going to pair this up with? You're going to pair it up with the wash mitt as well. This wash mitt's pretty incredible. It's actually a mix of polyester and microfiber. It's got your placement in the back for your hand, which makes sure that you're secure and not going to drop it on the floor. So what I like to do is I like to take a little Reset, put it on my wash mitt, and then also put about an ounce or two into my wash bucket as well. Reset we use here in every single car. This is what we use in between details for our maintenance details or just a regular car wash as well. Super intense, gives a lot of suds, smells great as well. But this is our go-to car shampoo here, and it comes right in your wash box, which is pretty nice. So you're gonna get your Reset, you're gonna get your wash mitt as well. And once you go, what's next in the step? We're drying it off. Dehydrate, this is a mini one, but this is the Dehydrate CarPro drying towel. This towel is pretty kick-ass. So you can go and basically put it on the panel that you're drying, pull across. There's no more wiping it down. It creates basically a suction cup for water. So all the water is just gonna get sucked up right in this towel, wring it out, go to your next panel. So again, you're gonna get Reset with your wash mitt. That's gonna be step one. Step two is drying it with your Dehydrate towel. And step three is it's going to come with a microfiber along with EliXir. EliXir is a high gloss detailer, a quick detailer, something that you're going to use in between your normal details, so that you're going to maintain your car with as well in between your details. But you're going to get a 16-ounce bottle of EliXir as well with your microfiber. Pretty simple and easy. Once you go and wash and dry the car, spray EliXir either right onto the panel or onto your microfiber, wipe it down, and wipe off with a dry towel. So again, you're going to get EliXir with your microfiber, your wash mitt with Reset, and your Dehydrate towel as well. One thing that I like to do as well, and how to maintain all the products here, is make sure you keep everything inside your products wise, and when you're done washing your car, go ahead, take your wash mitt, your drying towel, and your microfiber and throw them in the washer and dryer by themselves. Don't mix it or decontaminate it with anything else. So again, come get your wash box here. $64.99. We got a ton of them over here. We'll make sure to keep these in stock as well. It goes as a great gift or just an option for you too after you come in to get your detail or you're a weekend detailer. Just something that's going to give you a look inside of CarPro and all their incredible products, but also a great kit for you to go and maintain your car. In addition to our wash boxes that you can see here right on our shelves, we also carry a full realm of detailing products. We carry the full CarPro line. It is some G-Tech and also Adams polishes. One of my favorite products that we carry over here is the Marino wash mitt. From our boy Noxie, what does he call this? He calls it the dead cat. But this is the softest and the most incredible wash mitt that you can get. Again, it's got that pocket in the back to ensure that you're not going to wipe it down. What else do we have over here? We have your consumer grade ceramic coat, which is C Quartz UK. We got foam cannons and foam guns. We got the wash mitts, we got the glass cleaners. We have everything that you need to basically wash and maintain your car on the weekend. We got our buckets, our grit guards, our wheel cleaners as well. But as you can see, sitting right in the middle, it's that wash box. Start off with this and then break out your detailing and start expanding your detailing collection. But wash box is my first choice, so let's see exactly what you choose. As we expand into our new shop, we're going to have a full retail space over there that you're going to be able to purchase products both in person and online. If you have any questions about any of the products you see here or any detailing questions as well, you know you can always reach out. As always, please like and subscribe and keep shining.